Your turn.
Okay.
You don't make the sound.
Oh, ready?
What? I make this one?
No, Jack. No, Chris.
Okay.
Ready?
Here, wait.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Okay, Remy.
Okay, Remy. Oh, I make the face, yeah?
Yeah. Who wants to send?
Oh, Chris. Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to make one. I'm trying to think one.
Aaron.
Oh, you should have done this with me, bro. Okay. 3,
2, 1.
My turn. I want Silas to make the sound.
Okay. Wait, give me a minute. Wait, do the face again. Okay.
3, 2.
1. Oh!
Okay, Jackson's turn.
Okay. I want Chris.
Okay.
Okay. I don't want that one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so
Why does he sound like a car?
Silence, let me do it for you, please. Okay, Jackson makes the sound. Okay, give me a minute. I'll make the face.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Where's the food?
Okay, who do you want to make the sound?
Where's the food?
I want Chris to make the sound.
Okay.
Give me your face. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bro.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Wait, no, because I'm making the
Oh, yeah.
face.
Who do you want to go for?
I want you to do it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, my hand. Okay, ready?
Hi, Jackson, I got you wet. Let me, please.
Alright, Silas.
Alright. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
We're in the carnival yet.
Wait, what? What was that?
We're in the carnival yet.
What?
Okay, it's my turn.
Hey, where's the carnival at?
Oh, okay, so let me go first.
My car's so shaky.
Okay, Jackson.
Okay.